I'm Max Dalton, and in this video I'll show you how to log out of your Reddit account on the Reddit mobile app. Step 1. Open the Reddit app on your iPhone, iPad, or Android device and then tap your profile icon on this screen. Your Reddit profile screen is displayed. Step 2. Tap your Reddit profile name at the top of this screen. A menu opens where you'll see all of the accounts you're logged into Reddit on this device with. Step 3. Find the specific account you want to log out of Reddit on this device and then tap the Logout icon next to it. The Logout icon looks like a closing door. Step 4. Tap Logout in the next window. You'll be logged out of that Reddit account on this device. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.